Steam cleaning is one of the most hygienic ways to sanitize your carpets, hardwood floors, windows, car, floors, appliances, and even grout to remove bacteria, mold, germs, grease, stains, and other buildup, and even bedding and upholstery to eliminate dust mites. Unsure which steam cleaner is best for your needs? We've researched the top steamers for just about every surface for all your home or business cleaning requirements. Here are the 5 best commercial steam cleaner for tile and grout. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, Wagner SprayTech Steam Cleaner. The Wagner 915E Power Steamer is a multi-purpose steamer that uses nothing but chemical-free steam to remove wallpaper and clean countless household surfaces without using chemicals. The steamer holds up to 40 ounces of water and heats up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in under 9 minutes. On a full tank, it provides 40 continuous minutes of cleaning power. Simply connect your desired attachment, add up to 40 ounces of distilled water, and turn the steamer on. The orange light will turn off when the steamer is ready for use. Some pieces may be in storage compartment on top of the machine upon arrival. Number 2. McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. Naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals, using hot, pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces including ceramic tile, grout, granite, sealed wood flooring, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more. The 48-ounce water tank heats up in under 8 minutes and provides up to 45 minutes of steam with optional lockable steam trigger for continuous steam cleaning. An extra long 7-foot power cord and over 9-foot steam hose provide added maneuverability and reach for those hard-to-get-to places. Certified, safety-tested, and backed by a 2-year hassle-free warranty and supported by a customer service team based in Andover, Kansas. Number 3, Hoover MAX Life Pro Vacuum Cleaner. Simply steer around furniture and into tight spaces on carpet and hard floors using the on-off brush roll to leave no mess behind. Multi-purpose pet tools tackle stubborn pet hair and dirt on furniture, stairs, and hard-to-reach areas. Captures and contains 99% of dust and allergens with an odor-minimizing filter to prevent them from re-entering the air. A large easy empty dirt cup means less trips to the trash for a more convenient clean. The enhanced MAX Life system delivers longer-lasting suction to maintain peak performance without regular filter maintenance. Number 4, Bissell Power Steamer Heavy Duty. Powerful, high-temperature steam to blast away dirt, grime, grease, stains, and mold across a wide variety of indoor and outdoor surfaces. For use in garage and workshop areas, interior and exterior of autos, boats, ATVs, and recreational vehicles. 3-in-1 heavy-duty multi-purpose steam cleaner. The upright steam cleaner transforms into both an extended reach steam cleaner and a handheld steam cleaner. Variable steam modes and on-demand trigger allows you to control the intensity and amount of steam being released. Convenient storage with wall mount for easy and convenient storage. Onboard accessory storage carries accessories with you as you clean. Number 5, Shark Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum. Powerful suction plus spray mopping, a complete clean in one pad. Pulls in dirt and debris to be locked away directly in the disposable vac mop pad. Disposable vac mop pads vacuum up what other pads push around. Spray mop with vac mop spring clean floor cleaner to scrub stuck-on grime, providing shiny clean floors. Remove dirty pad with a touch of a button, never touch a dirty pad again. No filter or maintenance necessary. Just replace the pad, clean like new in every pad.